Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Our word of the day is amusing. It's a B2 level adjective that means funny or entertaining. Whether it's a clever joke, a witty story, or an unexpected moment of humor, amusing is the perfect word to describe something that makes you smile or laugh in an enjoyable way. Let's break it down a bit further. You might use amusing when talking about a movie that had you chuckling the whole way through, or a conversation with a friend who always knows how to lighten the mood. It's a word that adds a positive, lighthearted tone to whatever you're describing. Some synonyms for amusing include entertaining, funny, humorous, and delightful. For example, the comedian's performance was incredibly entertaining, and everyone in the audience had a great time. Or, her stories are always so humorous. I can't stop laughing when she talks. On the flip side, antonyms for amusing include boring, dull, serious, and uninteresting. For example, the lecture was so boring that half the class fell asleep. Or, his tone was too serious for the occasion, and it made the party feel awkward. Now, let's look at how we can use amusing in everyday life. Imagine you're catching up with a friend and you say, "I heard the most amusing story about my neighbor's dog yesterday." Or perhaps you're recommending a TV show. "You should check out that new sitcom. It's so amusing and perfect for unwinding after a long day." Here are a few more examples of amusing in action. The children found the magician's tricks amusing, especially the one with the disappearing rabbit. It's always amusing to watch old home videos and see how much everyone has changed. Her reaction to the surprise party was absolutely amusing, especially when she realized all her friends were in on it. That wraps up our exploration of today's word, amusing. I hope you found it both educational and, well, a little amusing. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you. So why not try creating your own sentence using the word amusing and share it in the comments? Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.